I can destroy your illusions easy. I'm not the karmic. You are. And according to some tarot readers that whistle blowed, it's a bunch of you who are a karmic tarot reader. I won't be your scapegoat. I didn't commit those crimes against you. In fact, you did all of that to me out of desperation. Desperation to be looked at as better. Desperation to be looked at as someone with self-love, emanating qualities that you do not have. I wasn't the manipulator. You all were. You weren't the victim. I was. And I have been gang-stalked, and I have the evidences to prove the demonic manipulation I have been enduring for several years. Meanwhile, all you have are paid karmic tarot readers crafting illusions to siphon my energy because you wanna be me. That alone says I'm not the copycat. I am original, never a replica. I'm not fake, but it seems like in all your flying monkeys, you would wanna portray me to be fake, right? Is it because you all don't wanna be exposed as fake? I'm not the destiny thief. Whoever you are, you even drag the entire community into it. The main reason why I'm the fake, the copycat, and the narcissist. The arrogance to play in my face is staggering. I see the psychic warfare, the calculated betrayal. I see through every bit of it. You'll produce a reading that will catch my attention because you know it's resonating, and you know because you're stalking. Then pretend to be a truth teller for a while. Then you'll flip the script. We are not allies. I'm not lying about my divorce. I had valid reasons why I had to. I never clung to anyone, blackmailed this person to keep, never obsess over a third party, never stalk or fixated on anyone. It's just not me. I forgive. I move on. I'm single and certainly not pregnant, nor a homewrecker. I'm not a gold digger or an opportunist. I create my opportunities. And I work my ass off, literally, almost every day. I will always choose true love over money every time. I don't practice black magic, and if I had any magical energy to spare, I wouldn't waste it on you. The only spells I've ever used once were protection spells from people like you. My husband was an abuse, and I'm not an abuser. In fact, that's another interesting topic to discuss another time. I'm not a prostitute. I'm not suitable for that. I have never been an addict in any form. You're not empaths. You pretend to be, and you wanna be. In reality, you're antagonistic narcissists, fame and money hungry, clout chasing, demonic gang stalkers. And I'm not here for revenge. The truth alone will dismantle every false narrative and destroys you as a liar. I'm not perfect, but you said I was. And I'm not projecting. You are. And doing it strategically to escape accountability. I'm not facing legal trouble. But I will stand my ground. Because you're the ones who will be exposed and be held accountable for your deceit and manipulation. Just pure evil. I have never been a part of a group. Even getting me to a party takes effort. And I have never joined a coven. And yes, I am mean. Expecting me to be kind while abusing me is just really narcissism.